Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, be cool, be free. I'm going to introduce you this device here. This is the GTPLAYER Cute gaming chair with velvet fabric. Wow, this is a cat-looking gaming chair. Ergonomic office chair for gamers, for girls, for cat lovers, for a nice chair with cat ears. Oh yeah, you can also get these cat ears onto your hat. Not only onto the chair, of course. We have memory foam and a footrest. And a capacity up to 150 kilogram. And it comes in a pink color to us, yes. We have here a level kitten design. Cuteness, baby, on a new level. Velvet soft fabric. Embroidered emojis. Removable cat ears. And a cat-shaped pillar and the lumbar support. A unique game jam that catches the eye instantly, and it is perfect for photo and social media. And velvet fabric. Breathable and comfortable all hours, year-round soft. Skin-friendly velour covers an anterior pleasantly catty seat. That's either for long work or a study or gaming session. And with improved curved footrest at 90 degrees up to 150 degrees. Stepless adjustment is possible. And extendable, streamlined footrest with a stable ergonomic design. The backrest can be adjusted continuously. That's perfect for relaxing or for laying down. And we have a memory foam and the pocket springs. Because this seat combines a high-quality pocket springs and a memory foam for long-lasting comfort without sitting through. It supports the body during the long sitting times. No prop for it, baby. This here is a perfect gift for social media stars. A pink design, high backrest, an extra wide seat, synchronized armrest, 360 degrees rotation, and a quad rolls. That's perfect as a gift for daughters, for girlfriends, companions, or of course for the wife, and for big stars in social media, or for guys and girls who like to be it in the future. We have a cute kitten gaming chair, girlish color design, removable cute stylish decoration, and an angle adjustable full body support. Yeah, unlock wireless comfort with the integrated extended footrest. And the upgraded all-length footrest for us. We say goodbye for uncomfortable rest positions. There's longer flash and a softer footrest enclosure for heels in a relaxed position. And 3-point composite arm latches. The strong support for our elbows to reduce the stress and enjoy the relaxation. And 51 centimeter. Wow, additional optimized seats for infinite comfort and relaxation. We can sleep, or we can have a sleep mode while we're sleeping on it. We stretch out completely for a short, refreshing power nap. Experience the almost white last comfort for a deep recovery. And we have a relaxation zone. We find a sweet spot for convenient learn. We relieve the muscle pleasure while we are staying in the action. And of course, we can have a game mode. We adjust the armrest while sitting in the back. The elbows are gently bent, arms are firmly in the support, and we play for hours. Shoulders stay fresh, babe. We have all what we need in one nice design. In a nice pink design. Because this is the GTPLAYER Cute gaming chair with a velvet fabric. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So cute, so nice. Sun sun.